Idziu po nie! Jedna, pod pałdą!
Get in the tunnels here.
Ah, shit. I came up and over, yeah, you went over, and I didn't hear any gunfire, so I thought, oh, you're down, so I hopped over, and the little fucker was lying on the ground, and just lit me up as I was dropping.
A lot of you guys died. Jesus.
Yeah, we went up and over a wall and got fucked up.
Oh, god damn!
Excellent. It also killed me.
Lewis, can you give me squad lead again?
Which one are you again?
Oh, we're just getting Sans.
Sans.
Okay.
That's...
There you go.
Yeah, you.
No! Another one again.
Swim!
Oh shit! Oh my god!
You just respawned, we don't need ammo. Okay, move south.
To be fair, I spawned with a half empty mag.
Jesus Christ. Okay, move southeast. Yep. Maybe. You know, let me reset my radios.
I'm only going to be on 39 now.
Yeah, 39 perfect. Where's everybody? Yeah, this way.
Why?
Yeah, keep pulling south.
Is that a no then?
Nope. Coming here. There's.
Friendly's over this wall.
Friendly. Friendlies!
No more pride.
We are in the booster building.
Off the wall.
Friendlies coming in.
Friendly's on bottom floor of
Okay, go set up. Quick.
Still...
Set up.
Hello.
Don't really have FATUs to get there.
Still gonna have to-
Nothing just on. He's getting up one.
Who here is in Alpha? Anybody? It's all Bravo. Nice, good work.
It's all Bravo. Always has.
Okay, this northern section town should be clear now. Alpha is just clearing up the south. Move out whenever you're ready.
Comms check.
Good check.
Good comms.
Alpha,
Oh,
Bravo.
he's having a great time.
I'm gonna head up to the
I
back.
gave him morphine. And it's big, I guess. I killed him. But because I'd already given it, I can give him it again. Yeah, that's it.
To the north.
Only have morphine substitute.
Platoon's command
Radio
message.
check?
Oh, that's Cullen's cruiser. Oh, shit. North, look north. Andiska.
Oh, that's a big movie.
All teams be advised, enemies are deploying to the northwest.
Oh, hello.
Move down, quickly, move down.
I'm scared! That's a big ship!
That's quite small.
Okay.
They've got a
Safe set up to the northwest. Be advised.
Machine gun set up.
Keep your eyes open. Keep your eyes open. We do know that the elites have access to stealth technology.
Blue team, get on me, push across the rope.
So if you're able to, keep clear.
Got 2 now for the leads. Negative, it's stealth.
Reloading.
Hey, food.
I just shot myself, come on.
Fucking massive firing line from you guys.
Why are they fucking running like that?
They're kind of freaky with it though.
Because they got plasma swords, what do you expect?
Bravo,
like
hold
run like a
just keep an
normal
eye,
alien.
make sure nothing else comes out
Just
from
run
that
like
fucking
a
base.
normal alien.
Thanks. Oh,
Where?
uh,
It's not a shit moving, they're massive.
Blue, Mio, get to the Warhawk southeast.
Be advised, they might be trying to flank us. One of them just ran round to the right on the building.
Copy. Oh, they're shooting. Oh,
Get that Warhawk
I'm
up now.
gonna move to the right side. I'm gonna move to the right side.
not
Yeah,
that far,
go.
not that far, not that far. Shit on. Oh,
Okay, hold here, hold here, hold here.
I'm gonna dismount Neo because the shooting is
We are holding.
Please can I go grab the plasma sword, I beg?
Now. Got the message. We have captured one of the warhawks, gonna use it.
Hey, food. Keep that on with them.
Oh, I see what you're
Oh, we're fucked, we are so cooked.
If you can, maybe get some trenches dug, just to give yourself some cover.
And then
Oh
you
fuck, I forgot to put a shovel.
Any
I forgot to put a
shovels?
I forgot to put a shovel in this
I
kit.
can drop for you.
It does
there's
work.
a shovel in the warthog.
I can't
Drop
flank.
the
wait.
Warthog.
It's
Check
mine.
the bodies as well,
I
they may
can't.
have
Wait,
some.
wait, I can't drop it. Here,
If
here.
you
Come
want to drop
place.
me it, if you want to drop me it, I might be able to. Let me do
Right
this.
here, right here.
That's my gun. I need that one.
Guys, right here. There's a shovel right here.
Last one come from behind. Right. How's it going, guys? We're all alive somehow.
Guide us, east.
On your grip.
Frag going over the wall.
close range over here. Copy, hold for now. Coming in now.
Fun, be advised, to the southeast there's still insurrectionists shooting at us.
Hey, we kind of are fucked at the moment, so those aren't our real complaint at the moment.
Oh, you died.
Yeah, no, roger that, just warning you in case you're trying to maneuver that way.
Alright.
Yeah, I saw that. I turned the corner and the fucking plasma shot me. They all died. They all died. You were alone over there.
Give me a break!
Oh my god. Yeah.
Jesus Christ.
Mio. Get on 43.
Yeah, because the shields. We've got over shields and we haven't. To be fair, in my defence, I'm at the fucking edge of a plasma thing from the Banshee. So.
Who's transport trained? Here?
None of us.
Well, give us one and we'll hope for the best. Oh my god.
Okay, good enough.
Who's driving?
You're driving.
We're fucked, lads.
Right, back to AO we go.
Forward, yeah? Yeah. Right, hold on, boys.
They're coming in from the north on a Warhawk.
Shoot it.
Active message to squad leaders. Friendly forces currently held up in the Covenant building by the drop.
Push. It's dead. Service. Oh no, banners! Blue, go!
Alpha, once this building's clear, we'll use it as our next cover in case they push to us again.
Pushing at it.
Wrong channel.
That's it, clear.
You two are dead again. What the fuck?
Anyone still in the hill?
Yep.
Yeah, we are. Repeat last message.
Glad you got more.
Stand by.
Glad you got more outside your bullet.
Alright, Alpha, get down and we'll meet up at the bottom of the building. Okay, for now you guys dig in over there. Oh. I'm good. Push ups towards the friendlies and dig in over there.
Just knocked him out.
Use cover.
Friendly's inside covenant structure.
Try and get on the right side of the road.
Oh, hello. It is. I'm on the other
Blood
side.
southwest. Let's get your eyes southwest, southwest.
Grenade go now.
That door's locked, they can't flank us.
Blood southeast.
No, I'm gonna leave him outside.
We have flood up.
He's dead.
On me.
Northeast, northeast.
Blue team on me, I'll get to the Covenant thingy.
Heavy front presence. We've just engaged 30 to 40. Orders. Orders. More to the south. Solid copy. All teams hold fast. Give them hell. To the last bullet.
I got one by the hog here. I got one by the hog.
Other side of the wall. Thank you. Appreciate it.
See, stop moving.
What? It's moving.
Medic.
Thank you.
Oh, bad shocker that.
Fucking crying
That's all I
about
can
it.
do. Have fun.
No way.
Okay, red team face southeast.
Oh, my frames. My 16 frames.
Plasma fire.
Covenant north.
Hit some pull the hollow for me. Oh shit. Zombie.
Jesus Christ.
Two leaders low on ammo.
Zombies!
Don't worry about bringing the Bronco car cover us out. Northeast. Southwest. Fall back. Southwest. Move, northwest. All troopers move northwest, west, disengage. If you're alive and you can hear this, pull northwest. Get here, down here. Platoon to command. My forces have been heavily decimated. They've been swamped by both flood and covenant. We're disengaging to the west. I've got 3 men. Does not matter, we gotta move. We're the last ones alive. Pull west, pull west. Disengage. Pull back. We're not safe. Keep pulling west. Get to the tree line.
Pelican? That was broken.
Broken. Pull west.
It is. It's missing a goddamn wing. I'm here.
Everybody said, keep pulling. Keep going. And keep going. Go full. Keep west.
Is anyone else alive? Picking us like.
We'll hold sure reinserts are inbound. We've disengaged west. We're in a tree line. We're trying to hold.
Oh my god. There's no one left.
Northeast, still enemies. If you can cover me, I'm gonna.
It's the Covenant. No.
Rear. Pull back northwest. We're engaged with the flood in the forest as well. We're trying to pull back, trying to disengage with 3 men. Infection forms have arrived. Infection forms are now here as well. Pull back north. 2 mags. Cover it north. 1 mag. No mags, pull northwest. Fuck me, reloading. I'm out. To your left. 034. Rock, you alive? Copy, we're pulling to you. Pull west. Yeah, pull west. We're heading deeper into the forest. We're trying to disengage to rearm. We're all out. Rock, are you here?
I'm here. Hello.
Well,
There you are. I
we
am
have a
the
potential
others.
landing zone on our location. We'll mark on map.
It's terrible not being able to see Davies anyway.
If, where's
They've got some. Jinxie's down on the Pelican.
pull southwest if you
I'm gonna go save Jinxie.
can. Yeah, I need ammo.
Let's go southwest.
Oh, ah, fuck. It's different mags. Okay, 1 sec. Oh.